We have what will be a Develop Aero. We're not even going to call it that because it's not even a drone at this point. It's just a fixed wing RC plane. Probably not going to fly, but we're going to give it the beans anyway and send it. So
wait, just before one thing, let's the first try. Don't leave it from your hands. Let's just see if we're getting enough lift. And
I
then
think it's getting enough. I say let's give it the beans. All right.
All right,
so
sure.
let's throttle her up, and I'll start running.
Fine.
All right.
Yep, I saw that happening. It's fine.
Worth it.
Worth it. Yep. It got
Take
crashed.
that, right, brothers.
Hey, it actually didn't break completely though. At least it's like
Battery came off, you know,
Yep.
just fine. No damage to it.
I know.
That's a win right there. And who even needs a runway? All right, well, that's the short-lived prototype of a fixed-wing RC airplane to be a Develop Aero, but they'll catch us
Sure.
in the next one. Peace.